your fans and to possible online buyers?
Aside from this is grand, no, this brand is patented. And when we say patented, we can really trust the product that they allotted time and effort to be clinically tested for the product to be in good quality and for it to be safe. So siguro doon na lang, kasi hindi lahat ng product po na nasa market ay patented. And when we say patented, mahabang process po yan. Pinag-aaralan po lahat ng ingredients na ilalagay po sa supplement na yan. And when we're talking about supplement, we need to be very, very careful po. Lalo na po sa may mga ibang may sakit pa. Kasi diba, hindi basta-basta nag-take ng supplement. So dito ko mapapatunayan sa inyo na this product really takes time and took an effort to make this product really available to you. And hindi nila inisip yung quantity, yung dami ng pera alam nila para lang masabi, okay na okay po ang product na to. So, I hope that you can try it first para kapag nakita nila in 2 weeks, minsan nga in 2 weeks depends po yan sa inyong body. In 2 weeks makikita nila on how glowing your skin is. So, ganun ko siya ibebenta sa inyo. Not all products are patented. Not all products are grand.
So the manifest.
Yes, of course. That's why we need to be very careful, not just with the supplements, but also with the people around.
This latest endorsement that you have from Hikari Skin Essentials, how do you feel that God has blessed you with a career in beauty?
Super duper happy. I can't really explain it in words kasi imagine dati pinapangarap mo lang na sana nandun din ako. Okay, yung mga products na nilalagay mo sa yellow basket, nilalagay mo siya dyan para magkaroon lang ng commission, but you're not really an endorser. You're just using the product. Tapos tinutulungan mo na lang din sila makapagbenta para may commission ka. But this one, soon, malalagay mo siya sa yellow basket ko, pero endorser na rin ako. So, ganun kasaya ko. Promise. Kasi, you know what? The yellow basket in TikTok, malaking tulong siya sa akin nung time na nagko-compete ako ha. Kasi, hindi ko inakala na ganun pala yung kikitain mo. But mas iba yung feeling kapag yung product na nilalagay mo doon, endorser ka. Kasi hindi mo naman ilalagay yung product mo doon kung hindi mo na-try, di ba? Kaya nga naman pag si TikTok naglagay ka ng product mo, nire-restrict ka niya kasi hindi mo naman pinapakita, hindi mo naman na-endorse na maayos. So, ganun siya masaya, Adam, na I feel so blessed also and so thankful with ALV kasi malaking tulong po yung opportunity din na binigay niyo sa akin. Kaya maraming salamat.
Medyo Boger, and sa'yo galing pa yung success na yun through because of Emma. So I was just wondering, gaano po kadaming, how bankable is Emma right now as a first time, title holder of Miss Can International for our country? I know crown lang sa kanya last October. What are we looking forward to in her reign in terms of here locally po?
Well, if you would ask me how bankable Emma now, super dami.
Kausa.
Global. Super real. There are so many offers left and right, especially in our country, Philippines, and also I'm sure the international, hindi naman din discuss ni Nawa or Teresa, but they told me there's a lot of offers also from the other countries. And also, I will all talk about Philippines. The Philippines is many offers, not only for endorsement, but also television. Not also if you will go, she will go beyond, beauty queen. She will right after the mania, she will go for television. Not only for news for news and current affairs program. Meron din siya mga offers now to the other programs, not only for entertainment programs. And there's also offer for movies. So maraming kami nag-open a lot of doors for Emma. And I hope na continue yung, siya kasi magaling na ambassador dahil talagang ginagamit niya. I saw it, ginamit ko talaga to during the time that, because I told her, you need to get a supplement that grows your skin because you have better skin, dapat the more mo kami. Sinabi niya nga, she's using this new product. Yan ay binentahan siya. Ngayon, binentahan siya doon. Ngayon, hindi siya magbebe. Meron na siya. Hindi siya na yung mukha at siya na yung ambassador ng Hickory Skin Essential. I'm so proud of her. And I hope tuloy-tuloy ito. And maging not only for Emma, but for all the winning, queens natin na magkaroon din ng mga mag-open ng many opportunities.
Because MGI just released a teaser about MGI All-Stars. So I was just wondering, what are your thoughts about it coming from the winningest national director in the country right now? Everyone is excited. All the pageant fans are very excited about it.
Now, what was here last week, and he mentioned to me about that All-Stars. But hindi niya pa binibigay yung mga criteria, how to join, and wala pa yung mga other details about it. So I think the question is, kahit anong pageant daw pwede sumali. But the problem is, I hope kaya yung mga queens na yun na makapag-join sila because from other pageant, parang mahirapan. That's why I told him, you have to study muna to. You just came from other pageants, queens sila doon, baka hindi yan payagan ng organization nila. So yun lang yung mga question ko sa kanya na he has to clear yung mga requirements how to join the All-Star MGI.
Thank you po.
Kung gagawin niya yung word ng Miss Grand, if you were going to change the name of the competition and you use it Grand, maybe the other candidates from the other organization can join.
Thank you. What about you, Emma? What are your thoughts about it? Everyone is very excited.
Hindi ko alam yung post ni Papa Rod. Actually, nakaka-excite kasi when he was telling about it, we were in a Miss Universe event. And he got so excited because he saw a lot of potential beauty queens. And he really want to give like an opportunity to these girls, to these women na ang daming pwede. Kaya niya naisip, siguro kaya hindi sumasali ibang queens kasi iniisip nila, ay naku, baka hindi na ako pwede dyan kasi nag-runner-up na ako dito. That's why he came up with that idea na MGI All-Stars. And I am also excited for that because me, myself, I experience how grand their production, how genuine they are, and how really they take pageantry seriously. And we saw that not just in Miss Grand International, but also during Miss Universe 2025.
Off the top of your head, kung tatanungin ka, parang may gusto kang, makita na from our country to join or try this pageant?
Ang dami, kasi parang ang hirap mag-name ng iilan, kasi sobrang dami ng pwede na maging winner. Winner na agad, di ba? Hindi lang candidate ng MGI All-Stars na matitake nila lahat ng list ni Papa Nawat para maging winner ng MGI All-Stars. So, kailangan na ng names. Parang ang names dapat manggaling sa meet. Ang dami talaga, ang daming potential women na dapat sumali. Coming from Miss World, Philippines, di ba? Sir ALB, sino bang gusto mong isali? If ever na magsasali ka ng tatlo. Sige, tatlo muna, ALB. Sinong isasali ko po?
Huwag ka man. Huwag ka magalit siya iba. Pero marami The Philippines has a lot of potentials. And then, a lot of also queens na let's give them a chance na sumika.
Hindi coming lang from
Coming from me, what
Miss
are-
World Philippines.
Miss World
Na mga
Philippines,
nahawakan mo na.
who are the most qualified to join.
Oo. Top 3 on your mind right
Wow.
now.
Wow.
The Miss World Asia, I think we see Krishna. Krishna is one of the best contender. Give her a chance kasi she's supposed to be the Miss World. Kaya lang,
She's Miss World in our
she's Miss
hearts.
World, sayang. Konti na lang eh. Konti, siguro one step forward siya na yung winner. Siguro, this is the big chance for her to have an international crown.
Who else? 2 more.
Tomorrow. Kahit merit.
Wala pong ano, no? Wala pang
Michelle
But
D.
hindi ba ano yung Michelle?
Michelle D. She was Miss World before. Michelle D also has a big potential. And Perez. Tracy Perez.
Maureen Perez.
Tracy Maureen Perez. So these are the qualified. Catalina Rodriguez is also qualified. Okay,
Sige po. Okay, last question to the owners. How do you see this?
Yung back-to-back victory, siguro ang isa na lang na hihingin ko ay it would be a big word and it's really hard to achieve. Pero wala naman pong imposible if we will have a wish to have like peace. Peace within our community and peace within us.
Let's say happy birthday to Miss Emma.